Sawadika! So, we're here at Kausan Road together with the Social Climber Squad and kahanap tayo ng ating mga bibilhin and also mga kakainan. So, ang dami pwedeng mabili dito, guys. Ayan. Mga dresses, mga anything. Ayan guys, here at Kausan Road, so many people here. Oh, there's a McDo. Oh my god. And so many of them around the Kausan Road. Let's enjoy the night. Ayan guys. Ito yung Kausan Road na sinasabi nila. The famous road or street here in Pattaya, Thailand. Yes, everywhere. So, hanapin po natin si na Madam. Sabi nila, you can go to Bangkok without going here, Kausan Road. Paikot naman to. Ayan guys. So nagpapalit kami ng bag kasi I want to buy shirt.
Here's my guy.
Yeah, I just like that one first.
Well, actually,
Oh, they are here. Ayan. So we can eat and order food.
Ito ako manghang.
ano yung sitaw, oh?
What's this?
Pork salad. Medium spicy.
And what about that?
Pork.
Or
Pork
can I have
spicy.
some?
You like spicy?
Rice with one choice?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Rice and one choice. What if...
And for rice, one choices of everything. Ayan. And that pork.
That one? Okay.
What about
Bamboo chicken. Spicy. Okay.
this one? Okay. Samita.
This and that.
Only pork very
Baro.
kami at kakain.
Bayan mo na eh. Kuwari mo bag ka. Ibutas na yung ano. Ayun.
What's your name? Sabi kay Beshi kasi alam mo, Bob. Bob, oh my God.
Melbourne. Guys, Karina, nagkaano kami mga mas-shakes at yayag. So gamit kami yung pinadala mo. Thank you so much. Sila. Dito naman tayo mag-dinner. Happy birthday at yayag. Brando, masarap ba?
Roberto at Ayam.
Sorry, kain na.
Sobrang sarap, province.
Pati.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Parang may ano? May
Dragon 1, Dragon 2. Ano nga?
Ano pa, Rai?
Favorite mo naman masyado yan.
Chicken curry. Sadyang iba rin pala sa hindi nakasanayan. Pero masarap rin. Si Marian, all-time favorite.
Riding at the Tok Tok after we eat dinner. Tok Tok! Ayan. With my roommates. Ayan. So yun, sarap sumakay ng Tok Tok. Mapapatok-tok ka sa bilis. Thank you, Lord. So, this is our last night here. So we enjoy the night. And thank you
Mr.
so
Narongsak.
much.
Yeah, Mr. Narongsak. How many minutes before we go to... you
Thank you.
drive,
Safe.
you drive carefully, please.
We are first time riding at the Tok Tok, so be careful. Dito po tayo sa Menjola, Chareng. Oh my God. Ayan na,
Kaya
sa
siya po kamalayo.
5. Umikot. 3, 2, 1. Ayan na po ang racing! Yeah! Oh my God. Ay! Saka ang dali nilang kausap. Diba? Madaling kausap ang mga Thai. Very hospitable, very friendly. I love Thai people na babalik at babalik ka ng Thailand! 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 Sobrang saya niya pa. Sabi nga, enjoyin mo na kasi last night mo na sa Thailand. Suway mas. So sorry because we are so so sad. Sir.
Ayan naman.
Sabi niya, ay happy kayo, let's go.
Matawa pa kayo.
Oh my God.
Dahil ko po.
What?
Philippine.
Yeah. It's our first time to go here.
Meet
And
Marian.
I'm so happy to meet you. Ciao.
Philippine beautiful.
Thank you!
Thailand also, there's a lot of good boys.
I love Thailand, very friendly.
Yes.
How long in Bangkok?
3 days.
Oh, 3 days. Okay.
You want me to stay with you? Ay! Because
Are you single?
are you single?
Huh?
Are you single? You have wife,
Partner?
partner? You have
Girlfriend?
you.
I have.
Oh!
No, I have you. Number 2, okay?
What about me?
Me.
Number 3.
You're so very super more girls, huh? You stay with me. Stay with me. Kuya, relax. We're in a hotel. Kamsahamnida. Ano pala yon? Kapon ka. Kapon ka. So, dito na po kami sa hotel. And we're waiting to Madam. Hi, para sa pambayad po sa amin. Hi! Hi, Day! Day! Hi, Day! Thank you so much! I love it! Ayan. So, magpapapicture po kami sa mga tok-tok. Ayan, guys. Pawak nga, magpapapicture lang ako sa tok-tok. Let's picture sa tok-tok bago mag-uwian. Very nice experience po kapag may picture kayo sa tok-tok. Greenhouse Hotel. So we're going to swimming later. Pag swimming gusto sa sasama. And then until 11 PM sa excited na kami ni Ma'am Chuchi mag-swimming. Naliligo ako! For the first time. Sakit ba talaga yung Marias? So thank you guys. See you on my next vlog.